Maybe we are supposed to meet the wrong people before we meet the right one, so when they finally arrive, we are truly grateful for the gift we have been given. Maybe the best kind of love is the kind where you sit on the sofa together, not saying a word, and walk away feeling like it was the best conversation you ever had. And maybe once in a lifetime, you find someone who not only touches your heart, but also your soul. Someone who loves you for who you are and not what you could be. And maybe the art of true love is not about finding the perfect person, but about seeing an imperfect person perfectly.
My very great pleasure to announce that you are now truly husband and wife, and you make it and the new Mr. and Mrs. Swan Phillips.
Gorgeous, perfect wife.
That was great news. I managed to source another one. I've got a new one.